comprehensive guide to preparing your teen for their first job. Entering the workforce is a significant milestone for teenagers, marking a transition towards financial independence and adulthood. Preparing your teen for their first job involves more than just helping them find a suitable position. It encompasses teaching them the nuances of the working world, financial management, and personal responsibility. Here's a detailed guide to help you navigate this important phase with your teen. Understanding employment laws and responsibilities. Legal requirements. Familiarize yourself and your teen with the legal age requirements and labor laws in your state. This includes understanding restrictions on the types of jobs they can perform and the hours they can work, especially during the school year. Work permits. In some states, minors are required to obtain a work permit before starting a job. This process typically involves approval from their school and parents, ensuring that the job does not interfere with their education. Financial literacy and planning. Budgeting basics. Before your teen starts job hunting, introduce them to the basics of budgeting. Explain different financial concepts like gross income, net income, expenses, savings, and investments. Real-life examples. Use your household budget as a case study to explain how budgeting works. Show them how you manage income, prioritize expenses, and plan for future financial goals. Understanding earnings and deductions. Discuss how salaries are determined and the impact of taxes and other deductions on their take-home pay. Explain the difference between hourly wages and salaries, overtime pay, and the implications of freelance work, such as self-employment taxes. Job hunting strategies. Identifying opportunities. Guide your teen in identifying job opportunities that align with their skills, interests, and career aspirations. Discuss different sectors that hire young workers, such as retail, food service, recreation, and online freelancing. Resume writing. Assist your teen in crafting a professional resume that highlights their strengths, academic achievements, volunteer work, and any extracurricular activities. Application process. Teach them how to read job advertisements, understand job requirements, and apply for positions. Emphasize the importance of customizing their application materials for each job. Interview preparation. Role-play interview scenarios to prepare them for typical questions they might face. Discuss appropriate attire, punctuality, and the importance of good communication and body language. Practical job considerations. Transportation and logistics. Plan how your teen will travel to and from work. Discuss the costs, safety, and time involved with different modes of transportation. Work attire and equipment. Help them understand the dress code and any special equipment they might need. Discuss how to obtain these items cost-effectively. Time management. Help them develop time management skills to balance work, school, and leisure. Stress the importance of not letting work interfere with their education and personal growth. Financial management post-employment. Opening a bank account. If they don't already have one, help your teen set up a bank account. Teach them about managing their account, including understanding bank statements and the importance of monitoring their balances. Creating a working budget. Once they start earning, revisit the budgeting exercise and help them create a working budget based on their actual income. Discuss fixed and variable expenses and how to adjust their spending according to their earnings. Saving and investing. Introduce simple saving strategies and the concept of compound interest. Discuss the benefits of starting to save early, even if the amounts are small. For those interested, introduce basic investment concepts and safe investment options for minors. Ongoing support and guidance. Regular check-ins. Keep the lines of communication open. Regularly discuss their job experiences, any challenges they're facing, and their feelings about balancing work and school. Workplace rights and responsibilities. Teach them about their rights as employees, including fair treatment, safety protocols, and whom to approach if they face issues at work. Career development. Encourage them to seek opportunities for learning and advancement. Discuss the importance of networking, seeking mentorship, and continuously developing new skills. Conclusion. Preparing your teen for their first job is an extensive process that involves more than just the mechanics of job hunting. It's about laying a foundation for responsible adulthood through practical experiences in the working world and financial management. By taking a comprehensive and proactive approach, you ensure that your teen is not only prepared to find and keep a job, but also to thrive and grow in their initial foray into the workforce.